Good evening, teacher Carolina. Is in the activity, the unit number 3. My computer is to work. Um, my computer is to work 1 kid ago because it was about to finish the company report when suddenly my computer went down. I took the system engineer to check the computer and they told me and the computer needs to be set up once again. The bot had several times and the computer went off. On the screen began to have the virus and the computer shut down and tried to change a couple times, but always with the same result. The technical taught before to the setup is necessary to backup in order to protect the information kept. To start doing the process, the first thing the technical had to our boy had the computer. Then he's going to key in the web pages and application and the load and put the had several windows. Define the running program. He needs to scroll had and down on the screen the without the unwet fields and the eliminate the fields and with process ingoing times long because the technical need to ensure handshakes. The system engineer is going to take 2 weeks more to open the pin installs a power antivirus, the finish to set and shut down the system. Thank you, teacher.